Equestrianism, the skill of riding or driving horses for work, recreation, or as a sport. Riding horses dates back to approximately 4,500 BC. Horses, after becoming extinct in North America, were reintroduced to North America by the first European explorers. From agriculture to racing, sports, and recreational activities, the horse plays a major role in many lives. In the Tug Hill Adirondacks region of New York State, one will find a vast area dominated by sand. This sand is believed to have been deposited during the last glacial ice age over 20,000 years ago. This area is unique in the type of vegetation and terrain. Some areas contain heavier forest, while much consists of smaller vegetation. The sandy soil allows for fast water runoff after rains. This combination of factors, along with interesting and scenic landscapes, hundreds of miles of trails, and a nice camping and assembly area, makes the Otter Creek Horse Trails a must-visit location for horse riders, hikers, cross-country skiers, and others. You will find maps and more information at AdirondacksTugHill.com.